Be ready. Start. Similarly, a number of other powers have been taken by the Commission if a by-law is amended and if contracts have been entered into prior to the amendment of the by-law and if the contracts are still outstanding and have not been fulfilled or performed, the new by-law that will be framed by the association will be applicable to these contracts also. You cannot imagine a more drastic step where parties have already entered into certain contracts. Certain new additional conditions are imposed after they have entered into them and before there is time for those contracts to be completed or performed. Similarly, the Commission has also been given the power that they can close if somebody has violated some of the provisions the contracts that the party has entered into. The commodities over which they exercise control are mostly commodities that are intended for export. For instance, jute and jute goods are manufactured mainly for export. The mills manufacture the goods and they sell them to the dealers, and the dealers generally sell them to the shippers and others. If a dealer has done something which is hit by any of the by-law, the contract that he has entered into with the mills or some other dealer will be closed. What happens then to the shipper who has entered into a contract for supply to foreign markets? He cannot get the goods and therefore he has to get them from somewhere else at a very high price, and the result will be that our export trade will be affected very much. Para. In this connection, I would mention that I have got here copies of telegrams sent by the Chambers of Commerce in the United States of America, the United Kingdom and Australia, etc., the countries which generally purchase these goods. They are very much apprehensive that the whole trade will be affected. Recently, an order was passed by the Forward Markets Commission directing that a certain amount, a very high amount, should be deposited in cash in respect of contracts called long position by the purchasers. The amount is so heavy that very few persons can deposit it unless they are very big people. Similarly, they fix up the price of jute at a certain amount. The result is that the price of jute in Bangladesh, where it is produced much more than in India, is about rupees 10 more than the price in India, and as a result, the extraordinary phenomenon has happened this year that about 50,000 bales have been smuggled into Bangladesh from India. Stop.